Hey Fowler family, it's Nicole coming to you with another video of what's going on around Fowler during this pandemic we call COVID-19. Now, I've come to you before and I've talked to you about the protection that we've put in place to help prevent COVID from impacting our elders. But now I want to talk to you today about another critical, important part of our mission, which is our at-risk youth and the young women who live with us at the Ebby House. And these are young women that have suffered abuse or neglect or homelessness and now live in residency with us for up to 2 years. And so many of you have reached out to me and said, what's going on at the Ebby House? So today I wanted to introduce our director of the Ebby House, Lisa Mumford, and have her answer a couple of burning questions that are on your minds and hearts. I'll see you real soon.
Hi, I am Lisa Mumford, the director of the Ebby House at Juliette Fowler Communities. I wanted to give an update on the Ebby House residents and the Ebby House staff and let you know how things are going here at the house. We have accepted one emergency situation, one emergency resident into the program. We had planned on bringing her in after the restrictions had been lifted, but she found herself in an extremely dangerous situation, so we decided to go ahead and bring her into the program. She is in a 14-day, very tight quarantine here at the house. She is in room only. We have our other residents helping her get her meals and make sure that she has everything that she needs. She was more than willing to do so to be able to come into the program. So the residents of the Ebby House and the staff as well, of course, abide by the sanitation expectations. The house is sanitized twice a day. The residents are expected to take their temperatures at least once a day and report them. All residents and staff abide by the hand washing and social distancing. If they do have to leave for critical appointments, the residents wear masks. They are expected to bathe when they return to the Ebby House and wash their clothes right away. They also are not allowed, of course, any guests on premises. They're not allowed packages or deliveries as well. And they are not allowed out on the general campus of the community. I think one of the biggest ways that the COVID-19 has affected the residents is that they have had a sizable loss of social interaction with the outside world. They're not allowed to visit or go visit their friends and family or have guests here. Their therapy and their coaching appointments are done virtually through Zoom or FaceTime. Their classes have finally resumed, their life skill classes have finally resumed in a virtual type setting. We have had one resident that was asked to continue their work in the job that they had previously, and she was asked to work here at the house. So she has kind of commandeered a office space here on the lower level of the house and reports to work as usual. It's just here at the house. So that was kind of nice to be able to continue her job, but just have it safely at the house. One of the other things that has been impacted is the school. We have a couple residents that are attending school and have been attending school, but their classes have been made to be virtual as well. The girls and the staff have been more than willing to abide by the rules and the restrictions that we have here at Fowler. They have supported each other and supported and understood the need for those, because so much of our population here at Fowler are vulnerable individuals. So they have accepted it gracefully, and they have accepted it with great cooperation. And just a little bit about our other children, youth, and family services here at Fowler. Presbyterian Children's Homes and Services has moved their offices that are here on campus to work virtually from their homes. I am in constant contact with them, take them things that they need, take them their mail. So we are in contact. The same with Big Brothers and Big Sisters. They have moved all their programs off campus and are working remotely with their clients, and know that when we lift our restrictions, they will come back to campus. The Explore residents, 2 of them have moved back home and are working remotely from their homes and finishing their program there. 1 resident is still here on campus, living here on campus, and working remotely and practicing those social distancing to complete the program here. So how can you help? You can always continue to send sunshine, send notes, send cards, send well wishes, send prayers to the girls of the Ebby House that they continue to honor the restrictions and get through this time. You can also send supplies from the Amazon wish list that we have on the Fowler Facebook page. We have a list of things there on the wish list that include foods that are easier to prepare, with them being here at the house a little more, having foods that are easy to prepare that they can do on their own schedule is very, very useful. Also on those wish lists is books and colored books and word puzzles and things like that that will help them pass the time a little more. The community's outreach has been phenomenal, and we appreciate that, and y'all are making a difference in all of our adaptation to the situation that we find ourselves in. Also want to include that monetary donations are always well received and well used and appreciated so much. If that's a choice of yours, you may reach us through fowlercommunities.org/donate. We appreciate all the energy that you're giving to us, all the prayers, all the well wishes. Y'all stay safe, and we will do the same.